Namaste everyone and welcome back to Mahati Wellness series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous sutra, we explored Savitarka Samapatti, a meditative absorption where thought, memory, and the object of focus are still intermixed. Now, in today's Sutra 1.43, Maharishi Patanjali leads us one step deeper to Nirvitarka Samapatti, where even memory and verbal associations dissolve, and only the pure essence of the object shines forth. The sutra itself is Smriti Parishuddho Swarup Shunye Vart Matra Nirbhasa Nirvitarka. The word by word meaning of the sutra is here Smriti is memory. Smriti Parishuddho means when the memory becomes purified, free from past impressions and associations. The next word is Swarup Shunya, when the mind becomes empty or devoid of its own form or bias. The next word is Arth Matra, only the essence, earth, of the object. Nirbhasa means shines forth clearly. Nirvitarka, without a gross object. Here, nir means without and vitarka means gross thought. Together, the meaning is the meditative state beyond reasoning and conceptual thought. The overall meaning of the sutra is when the memory is purified and the mind becomes free from its own conditioning, the object alone remains illuminated. This is called Nirvitarka Samapatti. In Savitarka Samapatti, perception still carries the color of our past experiences, words, images, or memories. They influence how we see the object. In Nirvitarka Samapatti, the mind becomes so clear that these filters fall away. The yogi sees reality as it is, not as it has been remembered or interpreted. Maharishi Patanjali gives us a profound image. A purified mind reflects truth without distortion, just as a clean, still lake reflects the moon perfectly. Here, the yogi no longer uses thoughts or language as tools of understanding. Knowledge arises directly, not through analysis, but through presence. This sutra marks a significant evolution in meditation from knowing about something to being with something. It is a shift from conceptual understanding to direct realization. This purity of perception, freed from memory, becomes the seed of true knowledge, a term called Ritambara Prajna, which Maharishi Patanjali describes in the later sutras. Let us do a reflection. Sit quietly and bring to mind an object, a flower, a candle flame, or even your breath. Notice how the mind instantly names it, describes it, recalls past images of it. Now, let go of these words. Let go of the idea of the object and simply be with it. In that silence, you begin to experience what Nirvitarka truly feels like. The meeting of awareness and reality without interference. In essence, Nirvitarka Samapatti is the pure mirror of the mind, where memory no longer distorts perception and truth reveals itself directly. So, in this Sutra 1.43, Maharishi Patanjali teaches us that real clarity doesn't come from thinking more, but from seeing purely. When the mind becomes empty of self and memory, awareness shines with truth. So you join me in the next episode as we explore Nirvichar Samapatti, where even subtler perceptions are transcended. So I'll meet you in the next episode. Namaste.